Derif President here. If you want to start trading this month of Vape 2026, or you are a beginner, don't make a mistake of skipping this video, because those ones who are going to watch it until the end, they are going to benefit from it. That's the fact. So before I proceed, I want you to take 1 second of your time, like this video, then subscribe my channel. Yeah, this month of Vape, I want to help the beginner and the people who are going to start trading this month, to help them to grow their account from 20 USD to 100 USD, not in one day, but at least in 5 days. So if you are in a good position of depositing in your account 20 USD, reach out the numbers on the screen. I will teach you for free, and I will give you the working strategies for free. The working strategies, they are not given out online for free. The one which they are given out for free here online are the one are not working at all. So if you want to be at the safe side, just deposit 20 USD, then reach out the numbers on the screen. I will teach you step by step on how to be profitable here in trading.